Errornya yang mana, Yunis? Hmm,
Begini, Miss.
lokal hostnya ya. Database-nya udah. Database-nya udah belum?
Yang mana, Miss?
Bentar. Tadi mana yang indeks HTML? Hmm. Errornya di bagian type HTML, HTML kan. Coba kamu run. Kalau di run, ini masalahnya ada di database-nya. Nah, databasemu itu sudah terkoneksikan atau belum? Belum kan? Karena localhost itu dia masuk ke database. Gitu. Sebentar, aku cek dulu. Oke, kamu kirim ke Miss deh yang itu. Nanti aku cari tahu dulu. Cuman kirim ke Miss. Kita lanjutin yang sekarang. Indeks. Terus sama yang quiznya. Hmm. Bentar ya, masih loading. Masih nge-lag. Lagi ya. Okay, my career in IT. Have you learned this year? For the last year? Belajar apa kemarin?
Hmm, belajar
Python.
Python, CSS, HTML.
Okay, Python, CSS, HTML. This year you can become of the word called Basilis Incubator. What is the Basilis Incubator, Eunice? What is Basilis Incubator? Tahu nggak? Apa itu Basilis Incubator?
Organisasi yang bantu mereka yang yang pertama kali menginjak kaki di bisnis untuk
Oke.
promosi startupnya.
Okay, nah, so Basilis Incubator organization that helps inspiring promote their startup. Nah, so do you remember uh, which areas of IT you managed to try your hand at? Ada nggak kira-kira? Do you remember? Okay, so we have test your abilities area of the IT. Jadi ada dua dimensi game development. Kan udah belajar kemarin, ya kan? And then development of window application. Ada mobile application development, data analyst, data science, 3D games development, sama front end and back end development. So what are the main libraries of the module? Jadi ada Python Game, PyKit, Kiwi, Pandas, Sklearn, Pandas 3D, sama Flex. Ya kan udah belajar semua kan ini. Nah, what else you have learned work of the code business incubator? Let's remember the basic concept. Untuk basic konsepnya. And then ada file fast, ada MVP, ada pitching, ada A/B testing, competitive environment, social entrepreneurship. Nah, make no mistake quickly. Tell us what you remember about this approach. Now, if the idea is wrong, it's better to find out about within the couple of the weeks rather than after several years of handwork. That is why in startup culture, entrepreneurs don't usually manage to make the perfect product straight away. Usually, a person with the minimum required functionality is developed first, and it's this version that stays on the customers. Minimum viable product. Tell us what you remember about this approach, MVP. Jadi MVP adalah minimum variable product. An MVP has only a crucial function that the sustain the test application's functioning. Nah, pitching, can you explain what is pitching? Yes.
Mempresentasikan hasil.
Oke, mempresentasikan hasil. Making the pitch means give the short presentation of the product, project, or service concept to investors. Well, one of the pitching model called ID pitch. Its type the pitch lasts 2 until 3 minutes and it's with parts of the startup culture. Nah, what about A or B testing? Do you remember what is it? Now, A/B testing is the method of studying hypotheses that's based on the testing product and randomly selected group of users. The success of the A or B testing can be determined using various metrics. And then tell us, do you remember about competitive environment? Now, a competitive environment is the group possible competitors faced by the company focus on the same target audience. Often such companies make only sell similar goods or service. Now, social entrepreneurship. You did the project focus of the social entrepreneurship. Explain what is the essence of the area startup culture is. Social entrepreneur refers to startup and main of the cultural, and environmental problems. Now, the business incubator with active living is marked. Do you have about your hand skills just well? Let's check. Nah, contohnya adalah ini untuk IndoKivi. What color in the program? Jadi pakai seperti itu kodenya. Name of the spurs of the at the junction of the subject area ada math and statistic, ada subject area, algorithms and computer science. Nah, ini adalah irisannya. Jadi di dalam keseluruhan itu ada data science. Now, how can we create the data frame based on the CSV file? The name of the variable where is the data frame will be stored, library name, how do we connect it? Ada CSV file uploading function, ada name of the file containing data. Nah, import command, ada pandas untuk import library, ada S, the library is abbreviated S, ada PD, the name of user. Now, what is the mathematical model? Mathematical model is the formula of the set of formulas to describe relationships between the quantitative indicators. Nah, contohnya ini. Untuk match the command with the description. Ada df head itu untuk returns the number unique. Df PCP class value counts. Ada df info, ada pd is no, some data. Returns information about the data frame column. Oke? Nah, ini untuk df head returns first 5 row. Kalau p class itu untuk returns number of the unique. Df info untuk information. Terus is not return if the empty value space an argument. Nah, ini untuk rendernya kamera, notepad, 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 notepad. Seperti ini. Nah, untuk placing object of the scenes, all of the Panda 3D engines object can be found the nodes of the scene script. A scene script is the tree containing all the models that need to be displayed. Nah, ini untuk panda note-nya. Nah, which website model to depict it here? Ada files, ready files, HTML, CSS, another. Ada server, seperti biasa. Ada browser request dulu ke server, lalu filesnya dikirim ke server, lalu server yang akan menjawab ke HTTP ke browser lagi. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, ini yang tadi. Jadi kalau dynamic site work itu rumit, agak rumit ya. Dia berjalan-jalan. During your study, you get acquainted with several and development and probably thought about the Scrum Master on the areas. Let's consider what knowledge and skill you will become the professional IT fields you already familiar. Nah, IT professions. Each profession is important in its own way. It has its own distinctive features and the set of the required skill that the specialist in it should possess. Nah, ini untuk skills and knowledge of several programming language, and the knowledge of the system which the mobile apps was created for the iOS and Android, and the design skill, optimizing a mobile app, taking into account heavy workload, ada interactions with the back development team, ada teamwork and ability to learn. Nah, ini untuk data analis. Jadi ini untuk yang mobile application, ini yang untuk data analis. Bedanya, the ability to work different types, knowledge of mathematics and statistics, the collection, processing, visualization, and analysis of information from the database, ability to make strategic decision, ability to interpret data and draw informed conclusions. Nah, ini untuk data science, ini data analis, ini untuk data science. Jadi dia berbeda. Kalau data science itu skills and knowledge of the field of the statistics and mathematics, experience working with the machine learning libraries, knowledge and practical applications of machine learning algorithms, knowledge of tools and the theory of processing text information, work experience, computer vision and image analysis. Ada experience with the recognitions on image, participant of machine learning competitions and teamwork, and then the ability to learn. Ini untuk data engineer, skill and knowledge-nya, and analytical mindset, accessing the quality and sustainability of data, source data, searching and researching data source, experience working with machine learning libraries, experience of working with database, knowledge of the tool, and the theory of processing the information, applies a systematic approach to work, think about the ultimate business task, participation of the machine learning competition, teamwork, and ability to learn. Nah, dari yang lainnya, how do you think data science different from the data engineer? Yunis.
Data science itu kayak lebih ke teorinya, engineering itu kayak lebih teknik praktek gitu.
Yap, betul. Kalau science dan engineering, kalau engineer itu lebih ke prakteknya. The professions of data science and data engineer often get with the positions of the data engineer is an applied one. The main text develop, test, and maintain database, and to prepare and claim data scientists' work is the more creative and analytical. The main tasks are to create the trained machine learning models, optimize business process, to search for hidden patterns, and to predict event. Nah, untuk front end developer, dia berbeda. Kalau front end itu kan untuk yang bagian depannya ya. Nah, knowledge of the several programming language, knowledge the experience of HTML, CSS layout, experience working with UI UX, and interface prototype, knowledge of the tools for analyze the network interactions of the web client with the server, knowledge of information security protocols, teamwork, the ability to learn. Nah, ini untuk back end yang belakang. Jadi untuk bagian database biasanya. Nah, dia untuk knowledge of the several programming language, knowledge of the database management system atau DBMS, able to work with database, knowledge the HTTP requires life cycle, knowledge of information security protocols, teamwork, and the ability to learn. Nah, ini untuk game developer, knowledge of several programming language, practical experience of the applying the stage of the building game works, experience of the computer modeling, gaming experience, the ability to write technical documentations and present ideas in an understandable form, ada teamwork and the ability to learn. Nah, ini full stack developer, knowledge of several programming language, knowledge the experience of HTML and CSS layout, experience working with UI UX, interface prototype, knowledge of the tools for analyze the network interaction of the web client with the server, knowledge of the information security protocol, knowledge of the database management system, jadi keseluruhan able to work with the database, knowledge of the tools and theory processing the information, teamwork, and the ability to learn. Nah, what is IT professions do you know? Which one might appears of the figure? Yang mana?
Cyber security termasuk gak, Miss?
Cyber security itu termasuk, masih termasuk. Okay. Currently exists called instructor expert, design and implements maintain virtual data infrastructure. The information security specialist protect valuable intellects and the other threats. And then the IoT developer atau IoT development develops the Internet of Things and smart home. Nah, emerging and gaining popularity, neuro interface designer develop interface. Jadi untuk interface compatible with the human nervous system for controlling computer robots. Ada digital linguist develop linguistic system for translations taking into account context the meaning as well as the new interface for the communication between people and computer is natural language. Nah, in any of these professions is important to know several programming language, be able to work in the team, be able to learn independently, and know how to extract information. The main things is not to give up, work hard, and believe in yourself. Oke? Nah, sekarang silakan dibuka di modulnya. Izin sholat dulu ya, Yunis. Mana Yunis? Ada kesulitan?
Belum, Miss. Hmm, Udah, Miss.
Sudah? Can you share your link with me?
Oke.
Kamu mau jadi apa?
Front end
Front
develop.
end developer. Why?
Karena em, seru buat mikirin layout desainnya.
Oke, kenapa tidak membuat misalkan kayak yang back end atau misalkan data analis atau misalkan yang lainnya?
Pusing.
Pusing. Simpel ya. Sih bener sih kalau front end, kalau aku kan basicnya juga di front end kan, front end developer. Jadi lebih ke penataan, layoutingnya gimana dan sebagainya. Tapi kalau back end itu sebenarnya kalau misalkan dipelajari dan kita paham alurnya, itu pasti gampang. Cuma kan kalau back end itu kan kita harus stay ya 24 jam. Jadi sewaktu-waktu ada error atau ada apa kita harus segera memperbaikinya. Karena kan kalau misalkan error misalkan di error database atau apa, sedangkan user itu kan dia mengaksesnya kan 24 jam ya. Dia bisa diakses 24 jam. Nah, jadi kalau sewaktu-waktu ada error atau ada maintenance, kita harus segera memperbaikinya. Tapi kalau misalkan front end, sekali kita sampai, kalau nggak ada perbaruan, kalau nggak ada updating, ya udah kita chill aja gitu. Oke, silakan diupload. Oke, kirim linknya ke chat Zoom. Oke. Nah, nanti setelah kita belajar websitenya sudah selesai, kita langsung melanjut ke front end. Jadi kita lebih fokus ke front end developer. Jadi gimana caranya ngebuat layouting secara bagus, terus gimana caranya ngebuat untuk kan penataan, misalkan penataan gambar. Gambar itu nggak boleh orang dia mengarahkan keluar, tapi harus ke dalam. Kenapa? Karena user itu kata orang melihatnya itu biar interest. Tapi kalau misalkan kamu taruh misalkan notisnya di sini terus gambarnya keluar pasti dia otomatis orang itu melihatnya ah kenapa sih kok dia ngeliat keluar dia pasti akan mengabaikan yang belakangnya yang mana itu adalah yang penting. Nah kayak kayak gitu sebenarnya hal-hal simpel sih, misalnya kayak warna yang digunakan itu untuk apa kan. Kalau kita membuat website itu kan nggak asal warna ya, kita harus memikirkan gimana sih caranya. Misalkan aku mau membuat sebuah website quiz. Aku mau kasih warna merah. Kenapa merah? Biar semangat misalnya. Karena masing-masing warna itu punya arti. Gitu. Oke, ada yang ditanyakan selain ini?
Enggak, Miss.
Enggak, oke. Karena waktunya sudah habis juga. Thank you for today. Kita lanjutin nanti hari apa? Jumat ya?
Iya.
Oke, thank you for today, Yunis. Good job. Nanti hari Jumat kita presentasikan yang hasil kamu hari ini. Thank you. See you for Friday. Oke, thank you, Yunis.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Miss. Bye-bye.